If you're new to interactive brokers and you're not sure how to add money to your account, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step using the mobile app. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a deposit and how to check when your funds are ready to use. Let's get started. Open the Interactive Brokers app on your phone and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, look in the top right corner and tap the three-line menu to open the navigation panel. From the menu, tap Deposit Funds. If you have more than one account, you'll now be asked to choose which account you want to deposit money into. Select the account you want to fund, then tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, you'll see your connected bank account if you've already linked one. If you want to use a different bank account or another deposit method, tap Use a new deposit method and follow the prompts to add it before continuing. Once you've selected your deposit method, you'll be asked to enter the amount you'd like to deposit. Type in the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check the amount before moving on, especially if you're depositing a larger sum. When you're ready, scroll down and tap Next. You'll now see a summary of your deposit. Carefully review all of the details, including the account you're depositing into, the bank account being used, and the deposit amount. If everything looks correct, scroll down until you see Confirm Your Identity. For security purposes, Interactive Brokers will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your login credentials or complete any verification that appears on your screen. After that, tap Confirm Deposit. Your deposit request will now be submitted. Depending on your bank and the transfer method you're using, the money may appear in your account within a short period of time, although some deposits can take longer to process. If you'd like to check the progress of your deposit, go back to the main menu and tap Transfers. Then select Transfer History and Status. Here you'll be able to see the current status of your deposit. If the status says Available, your funds have cleared and are ready to be invested or traded. If the status shows Pending or Processing, you'll simply need to wait until the transfer is completed. One quick tip before you go: if this is your first time funding your Interactive Brokers account, make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your brokerage account. Deposits from accounts with a different name may be delayed or rejected. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials that make technology and investing easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.